Hello and welcome to this Saturday's recipe. I'm Sadia and you're watching The Hungry Engineer. So it was my mom's birthday last week and I decided to make this mango cheesecake instead of a regular chocolate cake. That's because mom doesn't really like chocolates. So we start by crushing a few sweet biscuits and adding melted butter to it. Mix it well and press it into a cheesecake tin. You want to freeze this for about 30 minutes and it'll be set. Here I've taken a few mangoes and I'm gonna crush 3 of them into a puree. And I'm gonna leave the remaining 2 for decoration. After the biscuit has been set, you're gonna add the mango puree to form the second layer. Make sure you tap it well so that it spreads all over perfectly and tuck it into the freezer for about an hour. I'm using this Tropolite whipping cream. You can use any company which you like. Just make sure you remove the cream from the freezer and put it in the fridge for about an hour before you start making this. You always want your whipping cream to be chilled so that we can achieve stiff peaks. Now, I'm using very little cream from this box because I already have leftover cream from last night, which is already whipped, so I'm gonna mix it in. You'd want a total of 200 grams of whipping cream, and that should be enough. Next, you wanna add the cream cheese along with a few mango cubes. Then we want a few drops of lemon, or you can also add lemon zest if you want. Layer this on top of the mango puree and use a flat knife or a spatula to cover the entire cake tin. And then leave it into the fridge for about 6 to 8 hours, or if you're running low on time, then you want to pop it into the freezer for about 3 hours minimum. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel because I upload videos every Saturday, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like the recipe. Now that it's set, you want to demold it from the cake tin. And then I'm gonna decorate it with mango slices. If you want to learn how to make a rose out of mango, you can tap on the link that's on the top right corner of the screen right now. I've already uploaded that video, so go check it out. Here's our mango cheesecake all ready to dive in. So let me know if you like this recipe. Also leave a comment if you're gonna try this one. I'm gonna see you next Saturday. Until then, take care.